Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna cook some curry goat. Girl feel look good and can do things. What you feel about that? You come like you read me mind. Me have some curry goat season up. Curry goat it is. Anyway, me do it cooking, don't worry. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment plus share. You guys forget to tell the people about the notification bell and subscribe. Alright, so today we are gonna cook Jamaican curry goat. So I'm gonna set the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. So here I went ahead and put 2 tablespoons of oil and get it hot. So on the stove right now. My stove is on. Okay. So I went ahead and seasoned my goat. Here I have like this look like a one little bit of goat, but a 2 pound of goat, but you know work out to say look little bit, but anyway. We're gonna get the curry right. So here we're gonna burn our curry. This is my way of cooking my goat. So I'm gonna add this into the oil. The curry, I'm gonna add some curry in the oil. This is like a tablespoon of curry. So you burn it a little. See, burn my curry. And then I'm gonna add my goat. You notice you have the color of the curry now, guys. Right. When you burn your curry, well, my oil is already hot, so I just add the curry and then make it burn and then add my goat. So after everything evenly get the color of the curry, I'm gonna close the pot and let it spring its own water for a while. And then I'm gonna check back on it. Jamaican Curry Goat. Okay guys, so after like 2-3 minutes, I'm gonna check back on my curry goat. So you see, let me show you guys. The sea spring its own water. I did not add any water. Sea spring its own water. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it a little again and leave it. So because I'm not using a pressure cooker, I'm gonna go ahead and boil some water. I'm gonna boil some water in this little pot to add to it when it needs water. So I'm gonna boil this water right here. Let me show you right here. So I'm gonna boil this water to pour in this. Okay. So I'm gonna leave it again, and I keep on checking it, like, you know, every 5 minutes. So you're gonna leave it, make it continue spring its own water. One thing with goat meat, if you want 3 pounds of goat meat, you have to buy 6 pounds to get 3 pounds. If you want 2 pounds, you have to buy 4 pounds to get 2 pounds. Because when you start cooking, you shrink right down. Okay guys, so see, the water kind of dry off. Now we're turning. Right, so you want it to, the water to dry out little. See, dry out. So now I'm gonna add some boiling water to it. Remember, it's not pressure cooker I'm using, so it's gonna take a while. Okay, so I'm gonna add some boiling water to it. You're gonna add water each time the water dry out, so until it gets soft. When you know it gets soft, now that's the time is, you know it's finishing. It's near, it's cooked. Until it gets soft, you know it's cooked. So you got to wait until this cooks soft enough. Yeah, Jamaican Curry Goat. Close this up to continue cook. And I'm gonna add some more water later on when that water is finished. Okay, my people, let's run on. Alright, so this been cooking for a while now, over an hour. So you know, goat meat tough. So let's check on it. Alright, so this is getting tender. So So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add my rest of ingredients and what I'm gonna put in there. Alright. Okay. So here I have some carrot and Irish potato. So I'm gonna put my carrot and Irish potato inside here. Okay. Alright. So I'm also gonna finish putting my seasoning one time, right? So here I have thyme, I have scallion, I have a mixture of sweet pepper here, red and green. I have here some onion, some pimento seed, garlic, hot pepper. Putting my scallion, my sweet pepper, my onion, my pimento, my garlic, right, and my thyme. I'm not gonna use all the pepper, so I'm gonna cut piece. Real hot pepper then I'm planting in my backyard. After both. Alright, so I'm gonna put that piece of pepper in there. Alright, so remove the pot out and look at it, look nice, people. Good girl can cook. Hey, boy. See there? Yes, so I have to cut my curry goat there, Jamaican curry goat. So I'm gonna taste it, right? And you could always add season when you think you needed. So the pepper hot already, you know. Wow. You have to be careful with the pepper. Anyway, I'm gonna add some more all-purpose in it. I need a little more seasoning. I've been cooking so long, pouring water on it. Okay. So right there, I just add about a half tablespoon. Okay. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna turn down my flame to medium heat because take time simmer down while you extract the flavors from the seasoning. So the curry goat both soon land, people. Tastes good already. I tell you. You guys seen? Yeah. Curry goat. Jamaican curry goat. So I'm gonna leave this, make it continue to cook. Yes guys, so curry goat boat land here now. See the curry goat, Jamaica curry goat. Yeah man, it's nice. Tastes goodie. Can't wait to start it. There guys. Pepper hot like fire though. Pepper hot.